you do realize that the change is inevitable. We have to find a way of earning an income in a different way than what we are used to. You know, old school ways are out. It's 2025. We need to move along with the times. I have a digital platform which will get you this achieved in a short period of time. It's not going to be easy. You're going to have to put in effort. It's going to take a few weeks for it to gain traction. We're going to automate this whole system. And once it takes, you're not going to believe what kind of income this will generate for you. Passively, daily, and for the rest of your days. I will be there to back you up 100%. Interested? Let me know in the comments.